Hey everybody, just thought I'd put my views out there on how to stop the wind problem on these early model Subarus. A lot of these cars are great, but they have this problem where these gussets on the window frames start to wear, and then this gap gets larger, and then when you're driving at freeway speeds it starts to get really loud on the inside of the car. So basically, I'm just going to go through how I ended up fixing this. The first thing I want everybody to know is like where the actual noise is coming from, because this kind of took me a long time to actually figure out, but it's right here in this seam right here against the window. So it's not up here, sorry about that, up here. It's not anywhere along the weather trim, at least in this car. It could be up here, but there's other things on the internet you'll find about doing that, but it's right down this seam right here. So let me show you how I fixed that. So to fix this, I bought this weather stripping. This is just a roll of weather stripping you could buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store really. And it's meant for your house windows, but it works equally as well on this application. So basically, I cut a piece of this to length for this gap, and then just put it up against the gusset part of the window. And then when the window goes up, it pushes against it and seals the gap. So here with the window open, you can really see how large this gap is. I've seen other videos where you can heat blast this with a heat gun and then like clamp it together. That'll be a temporary fix, but I find this one's a little more permanent. So I cut a piece of this weather stripping just to fit down the side of the gusset here, and you just feed it in there. After you take the sticky stuff off, feed it in there, push it on the back of the gusset, the inside part, and then you want to make sure that this goes low enough so that the window doesn't get caught on it, and then when the window goes up, it'll make that seal. So let me take this off and put it on there. Now with it pushed up against the window, just leave it like that for a day. This will get nice and stuck, and then after that you'll be good. No more wind noise. So hope that helps.